Welcome to project demonstration of manhole management system. So here we are going to managing the manhole system with different kind of sensors. So we are using ultrasonic sensor to detect the level of the drainage water inside the manhole, and this is also used for the level indication, and this will indicate the danger level and it will get the minimum level. So whenever the water level is, the drainage water level is near to the sensor below 10 centimeters, then we'll get the mail alerts, and this is the ending level. If it is sudden flow, then this will detect that the danger levels, and this is the flow of the drainage water. So if it is a heavy flow, then we'll get the mail alerts, and this is the gas leakage detection sensor. And here we are using these sensors like temperature sensor, if is there any heavy temperature, and this is the level, and this is the heavy flow, and this is the heavy flow purpose flow sensor, and this is high levels. These two are sensors to detect the levels, and this is the gas sensor, and the so-called parameters will be monitoring on the 16:2 LCD. So these sensors are interfaced to the Raspberry Pi, and in this LM35 is the analog output. This sensor interfaces to the Arduino Uno, and from here we are going to convert the analog data into the serial, and the data will be given to the Raspberry Pi. And remaining sensors like level indications and ultrasonic distance measuring purpose, surface distance measuring, and gas sensor and flow sensor directly interface to the Raspberry Pi, and these parameters continuously monitor for every 5 seconds of duration. And already we have stored one email ID inside this Raspberry Pi, and to that email ID we are going to send the mail alerts if is there any abnormal data is detected. And before switching on this kit, we need to enable the hotspot with the name of all small letters manhole_management with a name and a password 129, and then switch on the hotspot in a phone and the data also, then switch on the kit. As I enable the hotspot in my phone, which I am taking the video, and after that switch on this kit. So it will take around 10 to 15 seconds of duration to boot up the Raspberry Pi, and after that you can see the welcome message on the LCD screen. And once the LCD screen got the message, right, and start reading the data from the sensors along with Arduino. Okay, so now as the parameters are, if it is below 10 centimeters, is there any leakage detected, and temperature also we have placed the 50 degrees of centigrade, the limits, and flow also 300 liters per hour. Okay, so let us say demonstration. If I place my hand, means the flow, the surface water level is more than below the 10 centimeters, then automatically the mail alert will be sent, and you can see the level detected on the LCD screen and sending mail. So coming to the mail, so in our mail inbox we will get the mail alerts, right, the level alerts. Okay, so we can see this level alerts, manhole number, so called, and the date and time, and the text body will get the same message. And coming to the next, gas leakage. So just I am detecting the gas leakage. Whenever the gas detected, so you can see the welcome on the LCD screen, the gas detected and sending mail, and parallelly the same data will be sent to the email. So right, we got the gas detected. And the next is temperature. Just I'm increasing temperature. The temperature limit, as we discussed, it's 50 degrees of centigrade. When the temperature is more than 50 degrees, then we'll get the same mail alerts. Right, so we got the high temperature alerts. And coming to the flow, so when the flow is heavy, then it will be lifts up and overflow indicated, right? And the Gmail also, you'll get the mail alerts overflow. And coming to the, so now I'm going to demonstrate that heavy flow. So you can see that above 300, so we'll get heavy flow. Thank you.